Primary 3 Environmental Studies Chapter 16 How to Make Work Easy. These are the objectives of this chapter. Learn to identify the things that helps to make our work easy. What are the three main ways that helps to make work easier? The machines which we used in houses and companies. How animals going to help in our work? Is it better to work in groups? Things we have to follow when we work alone or in groups. You will learn these things in next slides. Look at the following pictures. First picture is using a mixture to grind. Second picture is using a grinding stone to grind. Let's compare these two pictures. According to the first picture, a woman is using a mixture to grind. When we are using a mixture to grind, it will ease our task because mixture is operated using electricity. So, just we have to switch on the mixture. Then the mixture will help us to grind the things. In the second picture, a woman is using a grinding stone to grind. While using the grinding stone, due to the heaviness of the grinding stone, we will have to face lot of difficulties. And also, it will make us tired. So, using a mixture is more easier than using a grinding stone. Okay, tell me, why it is more easier to use a mixture? Because it's just a machine working by electricity. And when we are pressing a button, it will do our work easily. But grinding stone is not like that. In there, we have to put more effort to do the same work. Okay children, let's move on to these two pictures. First picture is using a tailoring machine to stitch. Second picture is stitching by hand. By using a tailoring machine, we can stitch our dresses very easily. Okay, tell me, why we are saying we can stitch our dresses very easily? Because just we have to press the pedals by our legs and do the stitch. According to the second picture, it takes lot of time to stitch a dress. And also we get tired because we spend lot of time to stitch a dress by using a hand. When we are comparing these two ways, we can realize that using a tailoring machine to stitch is more easier than stitching by hand. In this slide, we will see how work made easy. Okay children, your mothers and fathers do lot of work every day, no? So, working is important part of our living. While we are working, we have to find the ways to make our work easy. For what we are finding the ways? To make our work easy. Somehow, people started to use the machines, take the help of animals and also work in groups to make their work easy. These are the three main ways. What are the three main ways? Use of machines, take the help of animals and also work in groups. Let's talk about machines. We use machines and tools to do difficult tasks. There are a lot of simple machines which we used in our houses. Think and tell me, what are the simple machines that we used in our houses? Some of them are gas stove, fan, blender, oven, mixer, iron, washing machine. We'll discuss about these simple machines in next slides. Let's move on to this slide. In this slide, we will discuss about gas stove. Nowadays, these gas stoves are in each and every house. So, I know you have heard about the gas stoves. These gas stoves are made to be used for cooking purposes. Let's talk about the past. In ancient times, we used open fire cooking. What we use? Open fire cooking. When we were cooking in open fire, we had to face many difficulties. Let's see what are the difficulties. Smoke coming through the open fire and fire injuries, etc. In order to avoid these difficulties, these simple machines were introduced. Now let's discuss about the fan. These fans also simple machines that are used in each and every house. Nowadays, fans become essential things in our life. Some can't sleep without the fan even. Okay, let's discuss about the use of it. These fans used to cool the outside environment as well as our bodies. What is the use of it? Used to cool the outside environment as well as our bodies. In earlier times, we didn't have fans. So they had to face many difficulties. What are the difficulties? Especially sweating. As a solution to this sweating, people invented fans. Next one is blender. In the past, we used grinding stones. What we use? Grinding stones. There were no blenders at past. So many grinding stones we had were heavy. Then it was difficult to grind things and had to put lot of effort. At that time, blender was invented to ease our work. Through the blender, we can grind the things easily only by pressing a button. Let's talk about washing machine. Washing machine is also a machine that used to wash and dry our clothes. As we all know, in the past, we have washed our clothes by using hands. It was very hard and too tired. So this washing machine also make our work easy. Calculator. Calculator is also a machine that used to calculate the numbers. When we are adding, dividing or multiplying numbers by writing in a paper, it will take lot of time and also our mind is get tired. So as a solution to that, calculator was invented. By using a calculator, we can calculate the numbers easily. Lifts are most commonly used in public places such as companies, hospitals, shops and universities. It is used to transport people and goods. It is used to transport people and goods. When there were no lifts in early days, people walk up through staircases. In modern days, there are lot of stories in a building. So, we can't take the stairs. Then taking stairs will take more time and more tired. So, lifts are more essential than taking stairs. Let's talk about cranes. Cranes are used by construction companies, harbors and airports. It can lift or carry goods from one place to another. Without cranes, we can't carry or lift heavy goods. And also, we have to use minimum 10 people or more people to carry or lift the good. With the help of cranes, we can easily lift or carry goods. Big machines are used in factories to make things in large quantities in a short span of time. Large quantities mean lot of things. Short span of time means less time. That means big machines produce lot of things in less time. Look at this picture of a car factory. Is it possible for just one person to make a car like that? No, it is not possible. So, in a factory, with the help of machines, hundreds of cars can be made in a short span of time. Machines are used to make cars, chocolates, clothes and many other products. Let's talk about animals. There are a lot of animals who helps us with work. They are elephants, buffaloes, horses, donkeys and camels. Elephants carry heavy loads for us. Horses and bullocks transport people and goods from place to place. Buffaloes plough our fields. And also donkeys, camels also helps to carry heavy goods from one place to another. Group work. Working in groups makes work easy and fun. When we work in groups, we can do more work in less time. When we work in groups, can do more work in less time. When we work together, we learn from each other and we help each other. When we work as a group, we must cooperate. Cooperation means working together and helping each other in times of difficulty. It means respecting each other at work. The next topic is discipline. Discipline is important for working. Whether we work alone or in groups, we must work in a disciplined manner. You also need to organize things for work. Let's look at these two pictures. First picture shows unorganized table. Second picture shows organized table. So, according to the first picture, if you are not organized, you could waste time looking for things. So, you should keep things back in their place after the use. If you are organized, you can easily find the things that you are searching. And also, you could not waste time looking for things. Okay children, look at the first picture. A boy is working with his computer and he kept his cup of tea on the computer. Due to his mishandling, cup could break and computer can be damaged. Now, look at the second picture. A boy is stepping down from the staircase in a hurry. So, he could fall down and hurt himself. So, when you are engaging in any work, you should maintain a proper discipline. Look at these two pictures. Both places are clean and neatly arranged. Always you must keep your workplace and your home clean and tidy. Then it will help you to easier your work. While you are working, you have to be well disciplined and organized so that you will always be succeed in each and everything. We have come to the end of the chapter. Now children, you have to answer the following questions. First question, is it possible to do all our work by ourselves? Explain it. Second one, what are the 3 ways that make work easy? Third one, name any 4 machines in your house that make work easier. Fourth one, what work do the following machines do? We have discussed those things. Crane, lift, blender, washing machine. What are the products that made using big machines in factories? Sixth one, name 4 animals who helps us with our work. Seventh one, list 2 things which we can do by groups. Eighth one, explain how discipline is important while we are working. Answer the questions in your writing book. Now children, look at the questions in page number 105 in your textbook. Answer those questions also.